Shocking things you need to know about AI in 2025. Every day, it seems there is a new story about artificial intelligence. Some promising, some terrifying. It's going to steal our jobs, dominate the internet, or even take over the world. But how much do we really know about AI? Let's break it down. First off, AI isn't some new, shiny trend. In fact, it's been around for a lot longer than you might think. The roots of AI can be tracked back to the 1940s when scientists introduced the concept of artificial neural networks. Imagine a team of interconnected workers, each one solving a small part of a problem, learning from mistakes, and improving over time. That's basically how AI works. It's all about training these networks to become more efficient, and technology powered by AI is already part of our daily lives. From recommending movies on Netflix to recognizing faces in your photos, AI is everywhere. Next, let's tackle a common misconception. AI does not feel or think. Sure, AI like ChatGPT and Google's Bard can give human-like answers to questions, but here's the catch. It does not actually understand what it's saying. Think of AI like a really advanced parrot that learns to repeat things based on patterns. It predicts that words to say next, but it does not get the meaning behind them. So, when you ask AI a deep philosophical question, it might sound convincing, but there is no consciousness behind those words. Here's where things can get tricky. AI can make stuff up. When it comes to content generation, AI can sometimes get things widely wrong. This phenomenon is called AI hallucination. Essentially, AI generates answers based on probabilities, not truth. It's like if you asked your friend a question and they just guessed an answer that sounded right, even though it wasn't. That's why you need to be cautious when using AI for tasks like writing articles or research. It might sound good, but it's not always accurate. And here's a big one. AI can be biased. You might think a machine is objective, but if AI is trained on biased data, it can perpetuate those biases. Despite the challenges, AI holds incredible potential to revolutionize the world. In healthcare, AI is already being used to discover new drugs and diagnose diseases like cancer more accurately than humans. It can also help with complex tasks like teaching by summarizing huge amounts of information in a way that's easier to understand. But there is a balance to strike. As AI continues to evolve, it's up to us to decide how we use it. Will it free us up to tackle big global challenges like climate change, or will we use it in ways that harm society? One area where AI is making waves is in creative industries. We have seen AI generate stunning pieces of art, compose music, and even write poetry. While these raises questions about originality and authorship, it also opens up with new possibilities for collaboration between humans and machines. Imagine an AI as your creative partner, suggesting ideas, refining concepts, or pushing the boundaries of your imagination. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we must be vigilant about its ethical use. Governments and regulators will need to implement frameworks to ensure that AI is used responsibly. This means preventing harm, ensuring fairness, and protecting privacy. As individuals, we also need to think carefully about how we engage with AI, whether it's as a creators, consumers, or developers. AI is here to stay, and while it comes with its share of risk, it also offers amazing possibilities. It's up to us to decide how to shape its future, so let's ensure we use it wisely. Whether it's solving problems, creating art, or transforming industries, AI is a tool, and like all tools, it's in our hands to decide how it's used. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.